Guys, how good was that? You've been asking for a Ford, so we found the perfect one for you. Josh, what do we got?
Guys, we've got a 620 rear-wheel kilowatt FG. Come take a closer look. Starting with the heart and soul of this XR6, we've got the built engine running a 76-75mm precision turbo bolted to a 6-boost manifold, and this is all cooled by the one and only Plasma Man cooler kit. Moving on, we've got the Turbo 400 with trans brake. This is rated to 1500 horsepower. It's got a 3.5 grand stall converter, trans cooler, and a one-piece tail shaft from the boys at JG Drivelines. Moving on to the back, we've got a complete new rear end under this thing. It's got the True Track diff with 3/4 diff gears in it. This setup is capable of running 1500 horsepower safely. Now, to help put all that power down, we've gone for a 275 radial on the back. This is sitting on 15-inch rims, which looks absolutely amazing. We've also got the front runners, which is a 17x4. This makes the car look so aggressive while it's cruising down the highway. There you have it, guys. This thing's an absolute monster, just like I've been telling you. If you want a full list of the mods, head to the website.
Guys, this show's going for a short 3 weeks. We're capping this at the first 3,000 people. Our last 2 draws sold out a week early, so don't miss out. Jump on now, $30. You can take home the FG. Good luck.